Good. Yeah. Don't leave it too high. Nice little slow clicks. Yeah, okay. I got smoke going everywhere. Oh. It's not going to want to idle because there's a lot of oil in it. Yo, Grant, here we go. Both of these, this one over here is Grant's. This is a 2001 YZ125. We just got done putting a wiseco piston in. That was the very first start after the rebuild. And this is my 1999 YZ125. And this bike, that was not the first start after the rebuild, but and I've been riding it for a little bit, but it did just get a rebuild. It was a 3-month, really long rebuild. I got new grips, the gold contour bars, the bar pad, all levers, cables, the pro circuit pipe, all bearings, seals, gaskets, a crank. The cylinder was plated, got a new cylinder head, new piston, got the turbine core 2, new chain and sprockets, the V-force reeds, and I'm sure there's more that I can't really think of right now. And then I just put the factory effects graphics on. Oh, and I got the seat for $5 off eBay. And so it's been down for a long time. I'm really glad it's finally running. So I'll probably post videos of riding soon, but this was the first starts of these bikes after rebuilds. Later.